Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my love. Oh, I love you so much. Anna wants to say happy birthday too. She's eating pancake. Oh, okay. Say happy birthday to Ate. Give Ate a big kiss. No, he wants the pancake.
Alright, you go.
Just wait, Mama's cutting it. It's hard, mate, so you gotta blow, please. Blow. Blow. Good job, guys. Are you guys being a duck? Are you guys being a duck today? Yummy?
Oh.
What? Blow. 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 Blow, blow. Okay.
A flower?
Play with it again. You finish? Yes, with your milky. Milk.
Bro!
Good eating, guys.
Baby duck milk.
Oh, thank you, baby. Did you give it to him?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome. What do you tummy? What do you tummy?
Look at my tummy. Do you like my tummy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Look at your tummy. Your tummy is full. I can see pancake in your tummy.
What a baby! It's milk in tummy.
Yeah. Oh, he's putting milk in his tummy. Oh, hello. Good job putting milk in your tummy.
Mama.
More, okay.
More, baby duck more.
Got more milk?
Baby duck mine.
It's okay. You can drink yours. Thank you for sharing. You want? All right, share. Thank you, Ate. Well done.
Baby, what's the duck for?
Okay.
Mommy, I want arrow.
You want what? Yellow?
Yes.
Hello, I don't know. I don't know if we still have the yellow fork. I think we lost that one. No yellow spoon. I was fork, baby. I don't know where the yellow fork went, but
No.
I don't know. We'll look for it, okay?
You got a big one?
I do. I got the big one because I'm a mama. Is that okay?
I got a small one.
You got a small one. Mama's got a big one.
Wow, cool.
Wow. Ooh.
Huh? Baby, what's on it?
Does he?
Yeah.
Okay, what color?
Black.
Black. We don't have black.
Baby, what's red?
No, this color, green.
Oh, here you go.
Here you go, baby.
I got this. I got the arrow one.
Yeah. Come on, finish your cereal. I mean cereal. Okay.
Oh, did you cakes?
Okay.
Oh, you
You
cakes?
can have my pancakes if you want.
You can.
Ah, cut my pancake. The other way, baby. This way. Like that. Like that. Yummy pancake!
Yeah.
Clean! Airplane.
pancakes.
You cut my pancakes?
Yeah.
Thanks, babe.
Take that, Mommy.
Oh, wow! Is that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you.
And you, Mommy. That time.
Say thank you to Nana. Bus. Alo showing. Oh! Whoa, baby! Ay. Hey! Do you wanna open? Yeah? You say thank you to Nana. Give her a big hug. Say thank you, Nana.
Your card. Get your card.
Oh, your card, baby.
Oh, have a look at your card.
Look at your card, baby.
Open your card up. Oh, what's that?
What's that, my love? Lucky girl.
Open it up.
What?
Open it up.
Mommy.
Hello, ma. Do you like it? Happy. She said happy birthday. Oh, thank you, Nana. She loved that. That's it.
I went looking for it.
Yeah, where did you find it? Kmart? Oh, cool. Aww.
1 and 2-year-old birthday cards. Nothing for 3-year-old pig.
Aww.
I looked at another shop and I looked over it and I'm going, you've got to be joking. Musical.
Yeah, that's perfect. She loves it. I think you can have this. She's good. She's good. Look at it.
Today, but it's fine.
Ah, Nana's opening it.
Yeah.
And it's played music too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You lucky girl. Oh, look how happy she is. Can you hear?
What's the lady doing?
I'm trying to take it off, okay?
I think it's on the train.
No, not yet.
You take the door.
Yeah.
Chain.
You showing Nana your train?
Yeah.
Good job, Alo. Here you go, baby.
What is it?
Just wait.
Is that okay? Do you like your present? Oh, good. How old are you now?
How old are you now?
3,
baby. Add one more. This one.
One more. 3.
There you go.
3. Have you got that airplane? Oh.
Yeah, I'm opening Peppa Pig. Airplane, Alo. Airplane. Yay. Ah, Nana, she loves the card. You're showing Nana the train? Where's the train? Oh, look at him.
Fire engine. Yeah, a fire engine. Woo, woo.
A truck. He says truck.
Truck.
Oh my gosh, our baby girl is 3 today. Siya na talaga ang 3 na. I didn't get a chance to wrap her presents yesterday because we got home late. So we will wrap it today. Sabi ko kay Mark, i-distract niya muna. Kasi galing to under the stairs, tas inakyat ko. Ito hindi to sa kanya, kay Holly to, guys. I don't think they're coming anymore. Hindi na sila pupunta ata. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan pa natin yan mabibigay. Marami siyang regalo. Ang dami namin biniling regalo sa kanya. Alam mo yung ngayon na kasi yung point na alam na nila kung anong gusto nila. So nakaka-request na sila and we all know she loves her Peppa Pig. So I got her a lot of Peppa Pig stuff. These are the stuff that we will buy eventually anyway. So binili ko na lang siya for her birthday. Like, ganito, kapag ano na, mainit na talaga yung panahon, she will use this. So, para to sa beach. And it's Peppa Pig. So, I got this from Target. And then I got a bunch of Peppa Pig stuff from Amazon. So, ito from Amazon to. She saw this actually. Alam nyo naman kami, very organized kami sa mga ganito. So I ordered her presents in advance. So, matagal na itong nasa under the stairs. And hindi ito yung main present niya. Meron siyang pinaka-main present talaga nasa under the stairs, which is her bike na we got like a long time ago. Siguro last year pa namin binili yung bike niya. But we got her this hide-and-seek book. This Peppa Pig phone. I think she will really love this one. I think magiging paborito niya to. Play-Doh na Peppa Pig. And I got her this as well. Malulubat na ako. Ano ba yan? Ito guys, maliit na Peppa Pig na she can bring sa car or kahit saan niya pumunta kung gusto niya lang naman. But maliit siya. Yung natanggap niya today from Nana is mas malaki dito. Tas may ano yun, may sound. And the last one here is this one. Wipe and clean na letter shapes. Ganyan. So that's perfect as well. Again, all Peppa Pig. And because Ate Ayla will be opening a lot of presents, I got Hot Wheels as well for Arlo. Kahapon ba natin to binili? Kailan ba natin to binili, guys? No, the other day. So, i-wrap ko din siya individually para maraming i-unwrap si Arlo. And it will keep him occupied while Ate is unwrapping her presents, which I'm sure he will help. But, yeah, para lang may presents din si Arlo. And this, yung mga ganito lang na napaka-simple, makes him really, really happy na. So, that's perfect for him. So, I'm gonna wrap it. Mamamatay na yung ating battery, guys. After nito, sana tulog. Ala! Ubus na pala to! After nito, kung tulog pa din si Arlo, I'm gonna cook the spaghetti sauce. Kasi yun yung ulam namin tonight. Oh no! Akala ko ang dami pang Peppa Pig. Konti na lang pala. So, I will use this na din. Itong pang Christmas. That's okay. Saya-saya ng ating birthday girl. Oh, inon ni Tito ang sprinkler. You happy? Please stay in the shade, baby. Stay in the shade. It's really hot. You like it? You want that one? Ang ginagawa niya, kina-car wash niya yung kanyang car. Kahapon pa siyang ganyan. Winawash niya yung car niya. Happy birthday, ate! Nagmamap si mama dito eh. Sira na daw yung map ko. Hindi umiikot yung isa. Ay naku. Umiikot na? Baka na ano lang yun. Nagpahinga lang. Pagod nakakaikot. Ayan, umiikot na pala. Okay lang. Feeling ko gising na si Arlo kasi nakita ko si Mark tumakbo. Joke lang pala, tulog pa. Hala, kailangan natin umalis na soon. Hindi ako makapagluto ng sauce kasi hindi na din enough yung time, guys. Kailangan namin pumunta ng Bounce. Gusto ni Ayla pumunta ng Bounce today. Tapos imi-meet kami ni Dan doon. So dapat before 3 nandun na kami kasi si Dan daw nandun na siya ng alas 3. So pagising ni Arlo, diretso tayo sa Bounce. I-prepare ko lang to habang may time pa akong konti. It's currently 2:08. Hindi ako makakaluto ng sauce kasi wala din akong spaghetti sauce. May nakita ako and expired siya. Alam niyo, expiration date 2022. Nakakalok. Hindi ko alam. Baka na mali yung tingin ko. Kasi nag-declutter ako ng pantry eh. Tapos I got rid of like the expired stuff and iniwan ko yun siya. So, sa isip ko, meron akong isang natira na okay pa. And no, it's not okay. Expired 2022. Siya na talaga ang 2022 pang expiration date. So, ito lang yung muna i-prepare ko. I-cut ko lang yung mushroom. Ano lang din naman, mushroom, onion. Yun lang naman yung kailangan. Tapos, i-ready si Ayla. I-ready si Arlo. Pagising ni Arlo. Tapos, alis na tayo agad-agad. Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go!
Hello!
Wow, ano naman yung Arlo namin, ginising namin talaga yan. Para makapag-bounce. It's Ate's birthday. Ikaw muna mag-adjust, Dudong. Wow, ano yung Dudong na yan ay? Ayla, did you wake up, Alo? Yes. Sabi niya, Alo, it's not bedtime. Wake up. Let's go. Punta muna tayo Manura Deli to get the sweet style spaghetti sauce. And then, bounce. Mimit natin doon si Dan.
Yan. So si ate mga tol, nag-ano, papunta siya sa Filipino shop. Bibili siya ng spaghetti sauce.
Hello! Oh! What are you eating? Wow, late sa kay birthday. Ano ko dali ra kay ko? Wasa gada home.
Yan, so dito na si ate.
Oh, gada home.
Pagkita na ko, mas bigigay mo lakaw. Doon galing. Hanggang dito, mga ano lang, 2 seconds.
Ganyan talaga. Dapat mabilis ka lagi. Let's go to bounce, kids. Who's ready for bounce? Okay. Hello, chicken dumpling. Saan sa rin natara diyan?
Yan, so nandito na tayo mga guys. Bounce. Free.
Thanks, Danny boy. Ay, Danny. Dito na kami sa bounce. Si Arlo. Follow the leader daw. Follow the leader. Hello, baby. You have a bracelet. Let me see. Oh, mayroon din. May bayad din siya. Pag si Dan pupunta dito, wala siyang bayad. Yeah.
Ikaw ka mo bayad.
Si Ayla.
Dan, reklamo din. Wow,
Hello.
kung anak, ay, sige to mo.
Hindi, kasi ano naman, oy. Laro man siya, di bayaran talaga siya. Jump! Yes? Go, Alo! Go, Alo! Go, ate! Go on the slide, ate! Arlo's waiting.
Okay.
Tito, dapat sama niya. Gusto niya magpasama dun sa taas eh. Okay naman sana siya. Hindi na naman niya kailangan. See, marunong na siya eh. Go, Ayla! Slide. Alo, watch ate! She's coming! Go, Ayla! Ah! Oh, it's Zaps! Oh no! Si ano kasi ikaw? Batang Elektra kasi ikaw? Bakit ka nagsazap? Bakit ka ba? Why do you zap, baby? You zap everywhere. It zaps? Oh no, I'm sorry. What are we gonna do? Natatakot na tuloy tayo i-touch tong batang to. Batang Elektra. Si Arlo. Batang Elektra yan. Kung saan-saan lang nagsazap. Iwan ba natin? Daming kuryente sa katawan itong batang to. Up. Si Arlo hindi pa nagsazap. Agoy. Ayla. It's okay. Happy birthday. Batuhin mo lang ng batuhin. Birthday mo pala eh. Where's Daddy?
Is this someone's birthday today? Yeah. Come here.
La.
Happy birthday, Princess.
Na ipapull out.
You gonna get the ball?
He's got a bracelet.
Oh, you got a little bracelet. They charge him?
Yeah.
They charge you? Did you tell him you're a baby? Will they charge him?
Huh? Because he said he can play and walk.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, that's alright. He doesn't like the bracelet.
You like the
Daddy.
bracelet? Oh. Ooh.
Dada. He's saying Dada. Jump Arlo. Sabi niya may bayad to. Jump ako nito. May bayad to. Go, Arlo. Oh! That's okay. He'll come later. Malabad din si Arlo. Oh, sige dong. Akyat dong. Hello. Oh my gosh, look at Ayla. Hold on tight. Arlo's coming, Bob. Kaya mo yan dong. Sulit. Baby. Oh, look at it. Nakabalik na kami ni Mama, yung mga bata, si Mark, kasi si Mark nasa Carnidan. Wala pa guys, feeling namin nag-ice cream. Nag-ice cream yung mga yon. So okay lang din kasi lutuin na natin yung dinner natin. Filipino spaghetti. Gagawa si Mama ng fried chicken. May ano to yung ating Filipino spaghetti, merong mushroom. So lagay ko lang ang onion. Yung binili kong ano what do you call that? Crispy fry is my original at saka may garlic. Anong garlic mo? Original or garlic? Garlic mo, spicy. Garlic at spicy? Spicy, pero walang spicy. Ito garlic. Tapos meron pa ako dun. Nag-stop tayo sa Manura kanina. Yun yung binili ko. Beef. Agad-agad. Tapos maya, kapag nag-brown na siya konti, lagay ko na yung mushroom, guys. Hindi nyo man lang kita yung aking ginagawa dito. So, crispy fry, radyo, dili mo sa bulan og lain. Yan yung kay Mama, maraming bawang. Lagay niya dito sa chicken. Papakuluan niya daw to ng may maraming bawang. Yan naman yan. Happy si Tito Mark. Kumakain daw ng ice cream ang mga bata. Alams na talaga tong mga batang to ay. Ayla, are you ready for your present?
Do you want me to get it? Like, close the door and look it out?
Yeah. Close your eyes, baby. Ooh. No, she's closing her eyes. It's alright. That's baby's there. Close your eyes, Alo. Close your eyes. Nakahubad na siya kasi yung ice cream na. Close your eyes. Surprise! Yes! You got a bike, baby! Go, use your feet, baby! Well done! You wanna go outside? You have a bike too. Okay? Luto na yung sauce. Ito na yung second batch, last batch ng chicken. Luto na din yung ibang chicken, guys. And I'm boiling water for the spaghetti. Tapos yung rice natin is cooking na. Joke lang, hindi pa pala yung last batch. Meron pa pala dun, konti. Yun yung last batch. So that's okay. Timing yan. Pag naluto yung pasta, luto na din yung mga yan. How's my spaghetti, guys?
Is it good, Ala? Thumbs up?
Thank you, Mommy. Alo's eating.
Spaghetti, chicken, the blaggeries.
Let's eat. Mag-ano ako?
Rice ka, te?
Yeah, rice at saka chicken. Pangalawa na niya yan, oh.
Sakto na, Dot?
Yeah, okay rin. Ikaw, may cheese pa, oh.
Mm.
Parang kulang man yung sauce mo. At i-mix mo muna, tapos tingnan mo. Kumain ka ba rice? Kumain din siya rice. At saka chicken. Ayan oh, meron pa natirang konting chicken. Ang dami din kasi nun.
We're gonna sing happy birthday first.
Hello! Come here, mate! Come here. Hello! Yes, baby! Ah, you get off?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayla. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Blow back the candle for 10. Blow back.
That's right, Allison.
Okay, mommy.
Yay! Allison, okay?
Okay, mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, baby!
Is it baby's birthday too? Okay, should we sing again for baby?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alo. Happy birthday to you. Bebe? Bebe? Ano ang blow? Blow.
Go on.
Okay, go. Can you swimming name ta? More. Go, Alo. You and Alo, you help.
Okay, go, Alex, go.
Go. Yay! You want to do it
You
again?
wanna pull it out or you wanna...
What? Ah, you want to take it out?
Give it to mommy.
Yummy.
Can I get a birthday kiss on you?
I love you.
Mommy.
Oh, wait, kids. Yes, good. Yeah.
Oi! You wanna cut it? You wanna cut it?
My sister.
Okay, I'll cut it. But Daddy will cut it.
You make a wish, Ayla. What's your wish? Happy birthday. What's your wish? What's your wish? What do you want? What do you want? Good. Good bum? Okay, that's a good wish. High five. Yay!
Wow. It's rainbow. It's the colorful rainbow.
Rainbow gini.
Happy birthday, baby.
Baby's birthday too.
Baby's birthday too, yeah.